What's up, sneakerheads? How you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, you already know we're going to smash that thumbs up. You know what we're trying to do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
In this video, we got that what?
That
That
weekly heat.
weekly, baby. That
Yes,
weekly.
sir.
These are the shoes that are coming out 5th of January through the 11th of January. I'm going to go ahead and start us off. So on January the 9th, we do have a Nike Kobe 5 Protro. This is called the eggplant. So these will be coming out at a price point of 190 in men's. These will also be dropping in grade school for price of 120. If you don't know, this is the Lunar New Year of the snake, and they did come out with the shoe fitting for that. As you can see, this eggplant shoe is predominantly purple. On the lateral side of the shoe, we do have a snake. Looks like it's embroidered and going around the swoosh. I think whoever did this shoe did a very nice job. Everything of this shoe to me is perfect. I mean, the colors, that tubular purple and with that gold just makes the shoe pop. And then if we look at the toe box, we have that purple going around the toe box. Moving up the shoe, we do have those black laces. Moving at the top of the toe, we do have that Kobe Stealth Shield that we see from Kobe Bryant shoes. Moving around to the medial side, we do see that Nike swoosh in black, outlined in gold as well. And then if we notice the insoles, we do have two jersey numbers, the number 8 and then 24 represents Kobe Bryant's numbers. As we keep moving around on the back of the tongue, we do see some Chinese writing, and this characters are supposed to read Year of the Mamba. And then if we look at the bottom of the shoe, we do have a unique outsole, comes in a kind of like a bluish, purplish color. And then if we look at the details around the sock liner, we do see that snakeskin embroidered pattern. I do think this is a nice touch. Whoever did the shoe, like it's good job. It's a good job. And this will be coming in some special branding. It does have a nice dust cover in red, again with that Kobe snake with the 8 and the 24, as well as it will have a special edition box, red box. Along with this shoe, they will be having Kobe merchandise. This is the only thing that I think that they dropped the ball on because the colors of the merchandise doesn't match the shoe. However, it did keep that same branding on the front of the shirt. You do have the Stealth logo. And then on the back, we do see the Stealth logo with that snake wrapped around. And we do have his 5 championship rings on the back. Do think that's a nice touch. However, I just wish they would have probably made a purple shirt so you can wear it with the shoes. But overall, I am rocking these. Again, I think they did an excellent job. Probably one of the best Kobe's I've seen in a while. Let me know your thoughts and opinions about these. What do you think about these, my brother?
I really like the color scheme. How they really played into that purple. That's more of that royalty look. And with this being one of their best designs yet, hey, like you said, round of applause there. So in saying that, I will be rocking those. We'll be rocking those. Drop us a comment down below if you're rocking those or dropping those.
What we got next, my brother?
So on January the 11th, we do got the Air Jordan 3 Black Cat. This is a family pair of J's. Men, price point for men are 200. Grade school is going for 150. And preschool, aka babies, going for that 90. And infant and toddler, aka babies, are going for 75. What I really like about this shoe is how they incorporated the
New
on the upper part of the shoe. I'm really liking that. I like how they kept the elephant print going. But one thing that they did do different with the elephant print is it's a little bit lighter. It's a little bit lighter this time, which I'm really liking that. And you'll find the elephant print on the toe and the heel panels. And then I also like how they incorporated that elephant print into the lace. That's different. Jordan Brand, yeah, that deserves a thumbs up.
They
It
must
really
be listening
listening
to
to it.
us.
Yeah, they listening to those videos, saying let's incorporate, different color when it comes to the laces. So nice work there. And then, finishing the shoe off, with that patent leather on the mud guard. I really like that. Hey, this is a nice winter shoe, being that it's all black. So nice work there. I will be rocking those. I will be rocking those. Drop us a comment down below if you're rocking those or dropping those. What about you, my brother?
We'll be rocking these. Overall, this shoe is a little bit better than what I expected. And the reason why I like these, because like my brother said, it does come with a whole bunch of different materials. You have the nubuck at the top, patent leather, and then you have the elephant print. It kind of breaks it up instead of being an all black shoe. I really don't like all black shoes, but because the way they use the materials, I think it breaks the shoe up. And icing on the cake is like my brother said, that elephant print on the shoelaces. I really make the shoe pop, and therefore I am blocking these. However, I don't need another black shoe in my collection at this time, so I will not be copping these. I think overall this is thumbs up for me, and I will be rocking those. Let us know down in the comments, sneakerheads. Are you rocking these or dropping these?
That's right. Hey, and if you guys continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
And like we said for sure, when you bless,
Hey, bless others. Peace.